Hey everyone, Sam from Sugar Spun Run here, and today I'm showing you how to make my easy taco dip. Today's recipe is one of the easiest I've ever shared. It's my easy taco dip. It's super simple to make, only a handful of ingredients, and it is always requested at parties. Now, the first thing that you're going to need to get started is 2 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese. You want these to be softened to room temperature before you begin. I'm gonna add these to a large bowl. Now you're going to need an electric mixer to beat this cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy. I like to beat it by itself first because that eliminates the chance of there being any lumps in your taco dip. This is looking pretty good, so now we can go ahead and add our sour cream. You will need 2 cups or 16 ounces of sour cream. We can also add our taco seasoning. Now you will need 4 tablespoons of taco seasoning, and you can use either homemade or store-bought. If you're using store-bought, 4 tablespoons is usually one 1-ounce package. Now we'll stir everything together until it's very well combined. You'll want to pause and use your spatula to make sure you get everything on the sides and bottom of the bowl well combined. This is looking pretty good, so we can go ahead and transfer this to our serving dish. This is going to be the base of our taco dip. Now you can use an 8x8 or a 9x9 pan. I'm actually going to be using a quiche dish. A pie plate would work really well here too. And make sure you just spread this evenly into your serving dish. So that was the hard part of making taco dip, and now we have the easy part of just layering it. We're going to start with about 1 cup of finely shredded lettuce. Now I'm using iceberg lettuce here. You'll just want to evenly distribute this over your dip layer. You can really add whatever you'd like at this point. Anything you would typically find in a taco generally works pretty well. I'm going to be adding some diced Roma tomatoes. You'll need about 3 to 4 diced Roma tomatoes. We'll also add about 2 ounces of olives. And I actually hate olives. My husband loves them, so I'm gonna leave them on, but I'm gonna go a little light on them today. And if you'd like, you can add some jalapenos, just really as many as you can handle. You can use pickled or fresh jalapenos. Obviously fresh are going to be a lot hotter. I'm using pickled jalapenos instead. Finally, we're going to top everything off with about 1 1/4 cups of finely shredded Mexican or sharp cheddar cheese. I'm using Mexican cheese today. And that is literally all there is to making my easy taco dip recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple recipe, and if you try it out, please let me know what you think. Also, if you add any other toppings to yours, I'd love to hear what they are. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Hey, if you guys enjoyed watching today's easy taco dip recipe, I would really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, here are a few others you might like as well.